Fade into view. Oh, it's been a while since I have even heard from you. Heard from you.
Good morning. I just did my skincare and I did my eyebrows because that was looking all crazy and right now it's kind of not looking all the best, but it's okay. Throughout the day it'll kind of tone down a bit. I just kind of know what needs to happen right now. It's almost 6:30 and it's almost winter time, so I'm gonna first try to rush and get these clothes in the laundry.
الله أكبر الله أكبر. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله.
وسواس الخناس الذي يوسوس في صدور الناس من الجنة والناس. رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي امري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقهوا قولي. والحمد لله رب العالمين والصلاة والسلام على سيد الانبياء والمرسلين وعلى اله وصحبه ومن استنى بسنته الى يوم الدين. اللهم اجعلنا منهم ومن الذين امنوا وعملوا الصالحات وتواصوا بالحق وتواصوا بالصبر. امين يا رب العالمين.
Okay, so I feel like I started my day out strong. Like I woke up at, I woke up at 6 o'clock and I was hoping I'd wake up at 5:30, but I kind of knew because I went to sleep really late because my sister came over last night, which I think I introduced you guys to. Yeah, my little sister came over and like my friends, so we just kind of all just hung out. I was able to get a lot of things done. I had a lot of to-do lists for my business side of things, and then for the content creation side of things, sometimes I was able to get a lot done, but I do have a couple edits that I need to make sure that I get done today, and then because I have like uploads that I need to have, and I just haven't uploaded in a bit, so I do feel like I need to get right back on that. For whatever reason, after I did the one long video that I did about 2024, I just kind of felt burnt out, and I think it's just because from November 20th, which is the day I started my YouTube channel, to I don't know, it was January 2nd, I was just like hustle back to back things. Like I just had a lot kind of happening. Yeah, I needed to pace myself a bit better for that, but it's okay. I'm not too mad at it. I have a goal for the next couple of months, or for the whole year really.